An immersion blender makes it much easier to make creamy smoothies and delectable soups at home. But choosing the best option can be difficult with so many options. To help you choose the best brand for your kitchen, we'll examine Cuisinart and KitchenAid blenders today, and our top picks are Cuisinart CSB75 Smart Stick 2-Speed Immersion Hand Blender and KitchenAid Go Cordless Hand Blender. We'll examine their main distinctions, commonalities, and unique qualities. By the end, you'll know which immersion blender best suits your needs and cooking style. Quick overview of Cuisinart. One well-known brand of kitchen appliances is Cuisinart. They are famous for producing high-quality, reasonably priced, and user-friendly tools. Cuisinart immersion blenders are fantastic for home cooks who require a dependable and easy-to-use tool for daily tasks. Their designs are easy to store, making them ideal for smaller kitchens. Quick overview of KitchenAid. Another well-known brand is KitchenAid, famous for its strong and long-lasting kitchen appliances, such as its recognizable stand mixers. Strong motors and robust designs are hallmarks of their long-lasting immersion blenders. KitchenAid blenders are versatile for more serious cooks because they frequently come with several helpful attachments. Cuisinart vs KitchenAid immersion blender. Similarities. Easy to use. Either blender is made to be comfortable and easy to use. It is lightweight and has ergonomic one-handed operation. The handles make it very easy to grip if you are blending an enormous pot of soup or a small smoothie. Smooth blending. Both the Cuisinart and KitchenAid blenders smoothly blend food. Imagine all of the silky, non-lumpy sauces or soups, or baby purees in my case, you want. Both of them are good at giving food a uniform texture. Versatile, but blender bottles are much more than smoothie makers. You can use them to puree soups right in the pot, blend sauces and dressings, or whip up baby food. The job of a blender bottle is to mix ingredients in the container itself rather than emptying them into a bowl. Simple cleanup. Both machines are a breeze to clean for maintenance. The Cuisinart Smart Stick and the KitchenAid Go have removable blending shafts. You can hand wash them or regularly put them in the dishwasher. This also creates an easy cleanup after a meal. Good for small jobs. These immersion blenders are great for things that don't require a full-size blender. Perfect for whisking up a small batch of dressings, blending a single smoothie, or finishing off that last bit of soup. These will start to accumulate in the dishwasher and save your big blender from doing the dishes 3 times per meal. They are small, which is much easier for everyday cooking. Cuisinart vs KitchenAid immersion blender. Differences: power and cord. This is the biggest difference. The Cuisinart Smart Stick is a normal plug-in-the-wall blender. On the plus side, it is always charged, so you never have to worry about running out of power, but on the downside, you are at the mercy of that cord in terms of how far your phone can get from a plug point. However, the KitchenAid Go is a cordless model powered by a rechargeable battery. This means that you are not tethered to a cord while doing other tasks around the kitchen. There is no power cord to deal with, but you must remember when it runs low on charge. Battery life is good for about 30 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Speed settings. It has 2 speeds, low and high, and it's called the Cuisinart Smart Stick. It is a basic, simple, and easy-to-use tool for simpler tasks. In contrast, its more powerful competitor, the KitchenAid Go, has a variable speed trigger switch. It allows you to control the amount of blending required, so you get precisely as thick or liquid a product as needed for your recipes. Price. The best Cuisinart blenders, like the CSB75, tend to be less expensive. They are affordable and basic to the core. Because the KitchenAid Go is cordless and includes a 12-volt battery, it has a higher starting price. Warranty. You get a 3-year limited warranty with the Cuisinart CSB75. On the contrary, the KitchenAid Go is covered by a 1-year limited warranty. Accessories. The Cuisinart CSB75 typically includes a basic blending cup. On the other side, the KitchenAid Go is a more comprehensive cordless system that usually ships with a hedgerow to guard your pans. Note that other attachments, such as a whisk or chopper, may be sold separately. Cuisinart Immersion Blender. Pros: affordable price for great value. Easy and simple to use. Lightweight and compact design. great for taking care of such basic tasks as making soups and sauces. Has a 3-year limited warranty. Cons: corded design limits movement, weak motor for heavy-duty ingredients, only 2 speed settings. KitchenAid Immersion Blender, Blender Pros. Cordless convenience enables you to use it anywhere in the kitchen. This particular model also comes with a variable speed trigger for exact amounts of control. Protection for pots and pans with a pan guard, has a powerful motor built to last. Cons: higher price point, requires charging before use, heavier than many corded models, shorter 1-year warranty included. Final thoughts. Both the Cuisinart CSB 75 and the KitchenAid Go cordless immersion blender are excellent tools for everyday blending tasks, but they shine in different ways. If you're after a budget-friendly, lightweight option for quick soups, sauces and smoothies, the Cuisinart is a dependable choice. But if you value cordless convenience, variable speed control, and a sleeker, more versatile design, the KitchenAid Go cordless hand blender is worth every penny. Based on my own experience and the positive feedback from readers who purchased it, I recommend the KitchenAid Go cordless hand blender. Its combination of power, freedom from cords, and precise control makes blending easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Links to purchase both products at the best price are in the description box below.